Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at the Go-tcha, which is like a Turner Pokemon Go Plus bracelet. And I'm going to be talking to you about some pros and cons about this. Okay, so where did I pick this one up at? Let's see if the camera can focus here. Right there, GameStop. I paid about 45 bucks for it almost. Now, there is a con going on with this. A major con that a lot of people might not be familiar with. If you're here to buy this one off of eBay, do not buy it from eBay. I definitely recommend 100%. If you're going to go with a Go-tcha, which is what this brand is called, get it at GameStop. Go GameStop and get the Go-tcha at GameStop. Because here's the problem with the Go-tcha on eBay. eBay is selling a bootleg, fake KO knockoff. Now this one is not an official licensed Pokemon product, so it is, like a third party one made by Dental. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it on the bottom here. Let's see if I could get this camera to focus. Yeah, right there. But I'll try and focus right here. It says, this product is not sponsored, endorsed, or approved by Nintendo, the Pokemon Company, or Narctic. Don't know who the last company is, but they're saying Pokemon and Nintendo, they do not approve of this product, but it still works with the Pokemon Go app. Okay, because we all know the Pokemon Go Plus is the official licensed product. So, here's the things that you could tell on eBay. Did you actually get a official, unofficial one? Which, by the way, this is official, unofficial one. Or did you get the eBay unofficial bootleg of the bootleggiest, KO of the KOiest, knockoff of a knockoff one? So, first thing you're going to notice, I don't have that because obviously I got the real official, unofficial one. I know that kind of sounds weird. Official, unofficial. Well, it's unofficial because it's, not licensed by, Pokemon Nintendo, but it is the official one compared to the one that eBay is selling. So, on the eBay bots, I don't have, but someone else did a video on it, comparing, this official, unofficial one, and the unofficial bootleg is KO, and not off of the not offiest ones that they bought from eBay. The boxes, the front looks the same. The side looks the same. But when you get to the back, aha! That's where it's different. On the back, it just has all different languages. It doesn't show you any of these pictures. And that's the key to knowing that one part of the key of knowing if you got a real, genuine, unofficial product, well, unofficial by, Nintendo and the Pokemon Company, or if you got, like saying, the fates of the fakiest, where you got, like, calling Dr. Faker because they're so good at being so fake that a lot of people only know. So, if you don't see any of these pictures on the back of the box, and you bought it off of eBay, you got a fate of the fakiest. If you see these pictures like how you see them right here, then you got the genuine, product right there. Also, let's open this up. These are going to be a little bit more pricier than the original Pokemon Go Plus bands. Or, bracelets, or whatever the heck to call them. Those ones I think was like about 35 bucks. These ones, as you can see, are like 45. So about maybe a $10 price difference. That these cost a little bit more, but a lot of people are saying these are way better. So here's how it comes out packaged here. You just open it up if I can find what it is. And so here's what the bracelet looks like. It's completely rubber. Now you do have to, undo that and then reinsert it so that the little pin right here would then push down on the little hole notches in there. Because the way how they originally had it was backwards. Now this is rubber. It's kind of like a hard silicone almost. This is the only color that it comes in, as we know, with the Pokemon Go Plus stuff. That Well, for the little Pokemon is symbol that they have type of thing that kind of looks like a I don't know, sub Pokeball, I guess you could call it. With that, you could just buy stickers for it. I've seen them go for like Wish.com, from the Wish app for like $3 all the way on to Amazon for like maybe $23 or more. Kind of pricey just to put a little sticker instead of staring at the little Pokeball logo on your wrist. So unfortunately, it would have been nice if these GAMESTOP ones came in like color options for the wristband, or if they would have done instead of having the white with the red and black squares on here, if they would have done it with maybe instead of black, have blue with a yellow background or something. Kind of made it more like to the free available teams that you could go on to, red, valor, blue, mystic, yellow, instinct, a little bit more geared towards Pokemon Go, there's that. So let me take this apart. Here's your charging device. They say that you can charge it up and do firmware updates. I don't really know how. Here's what the device actually looks like. Now another thing, let me get this little paper off here. On the KO one, you're going to notice a lot of things on the KO one. KO one, as you can see, there's a little red button on this one. KO one does not have the red button. This one has kind of these long little gold pins on here. There's 2 of them. The KO one has them like filed down very short. LCD display. Give me a second here to tap it. As you can see, it's loading up. It says "Gotcha" on there. As you saw that, very tiny. Now the whole device is the same device, and they use the same band. But the eBay one, like I said, don't buy the eBay one. Buy the real one. Another downer on this product for the negatives. It does not tell you what it actually comes with. Like most products that say, oh, it comes with, rechargeable batteries or AA batteries, or it comes with the device and, a charging cable, and, something like this. This one does not tell you. I even had to ask the guy at GameStop, like, am I just getting this device and this? Like, how do I do it? Because I'm seeing on the back here that they're saying that there is, this little charging device. Do I have to buy it separately? Because it's not like a standard USB that you can just put into, like you buy on the phone to charge this device up. As you can see, it has like these weird little gold brass plates on there. Well, not plates, pins. He was like, no, you get everything in it. You get the band, the device, and the specially made charging cable. So I was like, okay, that's good. Another thing, it does not tell you how long to charge this thing up and how long the battery life is. And the only way is, either scan the QR code or go into the website, which the website is a pain. Do not go to the website that's going to be listed on your product here. Open up the freaking app store on your phone, or if you're using a tablet, and type in "Gotcha" and just download the app version. It's going to be way better and easier. So yeah, that's kind of some of the differences on there, the pros, the cons. Let's see what else we could do here. Okay, so here's kind of what, let's see if I can get my camera to focus here. So it's going to be this little green one. It's going to kind of have like a field with a little grass on it that says "Gotcha." It's kind of hard to show off the little app icon. So you're going to be opening it up. It doesn't take up that much data to download. It says press the "Gotcha" button. So let's see, we're going to press this. It's going to try finding and syncing to it. Like it says, found a "Gotcha" device, okay. Connecting to device. All the way up to date. Okay, so I guess that's how we do it. And then you're going to be seeing like this little globe symbol on the device. Kind of like, a web design. Like how original log on to a web looked like. And it's going to show that it's going from the internet to the chip in here. Then it's going to tell you this, and this is where you could do all your features. Well, it's like a sub feature, like capture, auto capture unknown Pokemon, doesn't say unknown Pokemon, just says unknown. Are captured known. So if you're trying to go for like candies just to evolve a certain type of Pokemon, you could do that where it's going to skip every other Pokemon and just go for like the specific Pokemon that you already captured. Auto equip Pokestops, which is great, and it's going to vibrate. And I mean, when this thing vibrates, it vibrates. It's like a jet hammer, like a construction site. I mean, this thing goes, and you're like, what the hell is that? It vibrates more than my phone. You could disable animation, don't know why. And then there's a dark theme on here. So if I tap that, it kind of turns, as you can see tonight, which I don't like that. I'm going to turn to all bright and happy daytime. Stats, it says known characters when free, but I don't see this thing changing. And then it says unknown characters. I don't know what. Then the little cogwheels, your settings. Information kind of tells you like charge the thing up and stuff. Don't know what that little double circle thing means yet. So we're going to close that out. Let's see. This is kind of what it's going to look like from downloading from the App Store. I highly recommend you go the App Store route. Also, I did finally manage to get onto the Go-tcha homepage, which freaking pain to get there. Let's see. Is the Go-tcha updatable? It says yeah, but it doesn't really tell you that much of how to update it. Let's see. Okay, how long does it take to charge and stuff? So hopefully the camera, I don't know why the camera went all black screen on me whenever I do